Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I am going to show you how to enroll for Coursera courses. Now after successfully registration of your account, you are ready to explore the ocean of knowledge and the most demanded 21st century skills. Now, as you click on login button, the login box appears. Enter your email, your password and click on login. As you log in, now you are able to access all the SMIU sponsored courses. If you directly jump on this video and facing trouble, so firstly you may need to go for my previous video for the instructions. After login, click on the explore button shown on the left hand side of your screen. Select the courses according to your area of study and then the core topics. For example, I will like to go for software development. Click on it. So by clicking on this course, now here you find many sort of topics related to your subject. For example, I want to go for data structure and algorithms. Click on it. After clicking on this course, all the information related to this course appears here with the enrollment button. As you click on the enrollment, go to course button appears here. Click on go to course. From the left hand side, you may access all the tabs of the week, your grades, notes, discussion forums, message by your instructor, other resources and course information. And from here, your course timeline. Click on the start. Now you are ready to learn this course. Enjoy the learning. In the next video, I will discuss with you some interesting tool about the Microsoft 365 account, which will help you out to make your work faster, easier and efficient. Welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Microsoft Office 365. This is one of the most powerful tools to make your work easier, faster and efficient. As you log in with your Office 365 account, you will see here a lot of wonderful apps which makes your work easier, faster and efficient, especially the OneDrive. When you will click on the OneDrive, the most interesting thing about OneDrive is the 1 terabyte free space. Yes, it's a huge unlimited space for you. You will upload your files and folders from your PC here. You will work online. You will upload the Word, Excel and PowerPoint presentations and a lot of applications. You will explore this by yourself. This is really interesting and will help you out to make your work easier. This is the end of my online tutorials. Hopefully you learned a lot. Don't forget to give your feedback, like, comment and share. Thanks to SMIU for giving me this opportunity. See you soon.